In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off notifications in Google Chat. If you're trying to focus, present, or simply take a break from pings, this quick change will silence alerts while still letting messages arrive in the background for you to check when you're ready. First, open Google Chat the way you normally access it, whether that's in a browser tab or the app. Give the page a moment to load so everything is visible. Next, look toward the top corner of the chat window for your profile picture. Clicking your profile picture opens a compact menu that includes key preferences. If you don't see your profile photo, or if your layout looks a little different, look for the small gear icon labeled Settings instead. Either route leads to the same settings. Inside Settings, find the section called Notifications. This is where you control if and how Google Chat alerts you. Open that section to see the available options. Now choose the option that completely disables alerts. Depending on your interface, this will be labeled Off or None. Selecting Off or None stops chat from sending you pop-up notifications and sounds, so you won't be interrupted by banners or chimes. Your conversations and spaces remain active, and all messages still arrive. They just won't nudge you in real time. The change saves automatically, so once you click it, you're done. A couple of quick tips as you use this setting. You can still open chat at any time to read and respond on your schedule. Turning notifications off doesn't hide or delete anything. If you want to receive alerts again later, come back to the same notifications area and pick your preferred alert level. Also, give yourself a moment to confirm the change worked by sending yourself a test message from another device or asking a colleague to ping you. You shouldn't see or hear a new alert. That's all you need to turn off notifications in Google Chat. It's a simple way to reduce distractions while keeping full control of your conversations. Thanks for watching and enjoy the peace and quiet.